Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and tuning in. Please make sure you're subscribed before you leave to stay updated for future videos. I'm super excited because I received my Loot Crate September crates. I have the Loot Wearables and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. We're gonna start with the Loot Wearables. Let's see. Ooh! FBI. Okay, I'm not in the FBI. Okay, so this is X-Files. I really love crew necks, and it is navy, and I can wear it with gray leggings. This is what the back looks like. Don't hate me, but I don't know what the X-Files are, but I really like this crew neck. I can never have too many crew necks. I am waiting for it to get cool here in North Carolina so I can start wearing them. Too much to ask for. And then we got some socks here. Marvel and Alien socks. Let's open up my little pamphlet. We got the X-Files crew neck sweater. When hunting down aliens or other paranormal invaders, comfort is the utmost important. Comfort is always the utmost important, not just for hunting aliens, FYI. Look and feel like a proper FBI agent in this excellent, clever Loot Crate X-Files wearable. I can dig it. For our socks, we have alien socks. I guess it goes with the FBI theme we got going on. Stay warm during your next hyperbaric stasis by turning your tootsies into the iconic chest burster from Alien. Sigh, they grow up so fast. And then we have Venom socks. When your Spidey suit's at the cleaners, maybe think twice before putting on a mysterious black one. Join the legendary rivalry of Venom versus Spider-Man in these socks. These are the Alien socks. I like them. I love socks so much. Whether they're crew neck, knee-high, or ankle socks, no shows, all socks matter. And then these are the Venom ones. When I first looked at them, I'm like, oh, we got more Spider-Man. I figured it was for Venom, and I really want to see that movie. Don't spoil it if you've seen it already, but let me know in the comments if it's good. Really like September's Loot Wearable theme. We got a crew neck, which is super comfy, and socks. And what I love about Loot Wearables is that you can bundle and kind of customize what you want. So I get the Loot Wear and the Loot Socks, and I believe it's like $15 a month. So not bad for an apparel item and 2 pairs of socks. And it's also a way for Griffin and I to share like what I get first dibs, but if I don't want something, I'll give it to him. That's how it works. I don't know if you call it sharing or here, you just get what I don't want. Moving on to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Loot Crate. I am Slytherin. Hopefully we got some Slytherin goodies. This box is pretty huge. Haven't seen one like this in a while. Don't let me down. Here we go. Ooh, okay, I see a lot of green in here. Okay. We got this. Let's take away the plastic and see what it is. It's like a backpack or something, or like a fanny pack, or one of these messenger bags maybe. I like it. You can like super strap it. That way nothing comes out. I like it. I'm assuming it's like a back to school theme. So you just put your items in there. I guess you could put like your cell phone or something in here. And you have the Slytherin emblem right here. This is pretty cool. I like how, wait, where did it go? Oh, I like when you close it, it's like completely closed and it's not really hard to come attached. So that is pretty nifty. I can see a lot of use when I go to like Carowinds or any other theme park for this, or Universal's World of Harry Potter. Ooh, we have, is this like a bookmark? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna need this for the plane because I have a few books coming from my Book of the Month subscription, so I can read some books. I really need to sleep on the plane to Hawaii. I'm struggling opening this. Oh, there's an opening at the bottom. That is really cool. Okay, or it's like an ornament. However you want to use this. I like it. So everything in here is pretty much Slytherin. So we have a Slytherin notebook. This is great. I love notebooks. I go through them so fast at work. I'm writing everything down because there's a million things. Ooh, yes, okay. And then we're just gonna, ooh, it might be more of like a sketch pad, notepad because it's the emblem, there's really no lines, but I still like it. I would still write notes in this, honestly. We have something else. It looks like maybe a scarf or a flag. There's another opening I'm just feeling. Ooh, hello. That is badass. Okay, I don't know if you can see all of it. This will be hanging in my office downstairs. I really like this. Yes, okay. It's very different. I haven't seen an item like this in a Loot Crate before, so this is really cool. So we have this, and it says, to our brave Gryffindors, clever Ravenclaws, cunning Slytherins, and our loyal Hufflepuffs. We are so excited for you to unbox your Back to Hogwarts crate. Explains why there's a lot of Slytherin. We just wanted to let you know that one of your items needs a little bit more time to arrive. Look forward to receiving your Hedwig pin in a separate shipment by mid-October. I won't be here mid-October, so I better be here when I get back. Please accept our humblest apologies for this inconvenience. If you have any questions or concerns, our friendly customer support team at Lootcrate/help will be happy to assist you. I will say their customer service is pretty on point. Every time I'm like, where's my crate? And they're like, it's about to ship, or you haven't received your shipping yet, here you go. Thank you for that note, Loot Crate. And we're just gonna go through the pamphlet on what we got. Oh, upside down. So the first item was the notebook we have right here. And then the second is the Hogwarts House bookmark right here, or an ornament, whatever you want to use it for. The Hogwarts House banner, the Hogwarts book bag. It's a very unique looking book bag. And then the Hedwig pin. Oh, which looks like that. Okay. So every Loot Crate, like for my Marvel or my J.K. Rowling Harry Potter, they always include an exclusive pin. I have a lanyard that displays all the pins on it. I really enjoyed September's Loot Crate. You know, I think with the wearables, it was a great way for fall, and then the Harry Potter, it's a great way for back to school, even though most schools go back in August, but it's okay. If you're still in school, I guess you can change things out during fall break if you get one. I look forward to seeing what October has in store. I will get the October Loot wearables, and I will also get the Marvel's gear and goods crate. So stay tuned for that video. And I also like how they had so much Slytherin, because usually in the Harry Potter crates, they do kind of like a diverse theming for the crates. So you won't necessarily just get your house items. You know, you'll get some like generic Harry Potter items or some Fantastic Beasts. Ooh, the next crate will be coming out in November, and that's when the next Fantastic Beast movie comes out. I'm hoping for some, like, I hope like that whole crate is just Fantastic Beast themed. That would be really cool. But I think they do like a good mix. And I believe last year it was very house themed for back to school, but I also like getting a variety of different items, but it keeps it exciting. And that's why I stay with this crate a lot and just kind of get some more Slytherin items to add to my home office, which is Slytherin themed. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure you're subscribed to see the next Loot Crate unboxing, and I will see you then. And